Okay. Like I would need anything. I eat hot stuff. Hi, Whitey. Maybe I eat hot stuff right now. It's not good for me. The hot stuff for me. You think we can get the virus? Answer me yes, we can. Because like some you'd see some people that means they not have the virus. That means you go to the doctor check on you. You never or positive. I don't say that doctor be positive. That means you have to stay home. That means you not can't be around nobody. If you be around some people else, some people you might be too. You might spread it or kind. Ineffective, that means you not have it. If positive something. Okay, I have this ability. That means I did say one of my parents that they have a virus. That means my provider not can be near me. I don't know my family what to because I did the bill yet I need a little bit help. But I hope my parents and me not get the virus. If my dad get the virus, my parents have to be in the room. So if my parents out and out, I gotta be in my room. So I'll probably grab something, then I'll be in my room. That means I will be in quarantine. I don't want that. Uh-oh. people say they can't afford, they not can get afford have a virus. In a way, one you always got what you hand. Number two, you can't go out. You can't go out in public, but you gotta be careful. Number three, you see somebody not know how a virus. That means little bit later on they get test positive. That means you have to take quarantine. That means in Netflix, that means you not have it. Number four, you always have to wash your hands and be careful and be safe. This one is big.